Hi there, I'm Thomas, and in this video here, I'm going to show you how to use the advanced options for custom fields, so I can bind custom fields together. So let's get ahead and click New Item. I'm going to give it a name. It's going to be Thomas A1. So down here you see we have a priority and we have a task type. Those two are like custom fields in CxPlanner. So I added those before this video. The first one is the priority. So you see I have three options here. That's critical, medium, low. You could go with whatever you need. So A, B, and C punches and so on. If I go medium, all good. But however, if I click on the critical, then you see a new option here is like being rendered, and that is PMO been contacted. Well, I can tick off. I also contacted a PMO. Then the next thing, that is the task type. So here also, this here is like a drop down I define with my options. This could be your own internal options, ticket ID, who to contact, and so on. So this one here, issue, RFI, observation, note. If you go for an issue, then you see down here, then I can also specify the issue origin. If I go find RFI, then I get like the actual RFI, and I get an RFI deadline. If I go back to an observation, well, then there's nothing. So you can bind these fields and make a logic that fits and suit your project. Saving this one, then you see Thomas A1 marked as critical, PMO has been contacted, and the task type is an observation. Let's go for one more. So that's going to be Thomas B1, priority medium, task type RFI. Let's just do this, RFI A1 and deadline now, and then save that in. Then you see the top one here, medium RFI of A1 and now. So that's the concept of how you can bind custom fields together on tasks.